Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can add music to a photo in your WhatsApp status. So the first thing that you need to do is play the music that you want. So let's say for example, we're gonna play music from our Spotify. So I'm going to um tap on this one to play a song. So once you're done with that, open your WhatsApp and then make sure that you're here at the updates at the bottom left and then just click on add my status. So what you're gonna do is tap on this camera right here, and then just face your camera to a photo that you want to capture or to a view that you want to capture. And then while the music is playing, record the video by holding the capture button. So you just have to long press this button right here. It will turn red, and then depends on you and how much duration you wanna put in. And then once you're done with that, you can also add any drawing or text or even stickers from here. And then you can also add a caption to the picture that you posted. And then you can also mention any friends. And then once you're done with that, you just have to click on that green arrow. And that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!